yours and dump them in your bucket.
Rachel, can you not stand right in front of Billy? Thank you. Rachel, can you go over there or something?
Here you go, Billy. You can open yours, baby. Just dump it right in here.
Can she go over there?
Daddy wants to see you open it. Come on.
What is that?
Hey, yummy hamburger.
Oh my goodness.
I want it.
What are you eating, boy?
A cheeseburger. Another.
A gummy cheeseburger, huh? Cool.
Another.
Awesome.
Another. Mommy!
Cool.
I got some more. I got some too. I know what this is. Yeah, I do.
Do we want to put the empty eggs right in here?
Mommy's in here? Billy, open it. Just open it. Just like open it. Whoa. Whoa, look how many pennies that is. Here you go. Like here's yours. Mommy, what was? Whoa. Mommy, and put these in the bag.
No, your money. Put your money. Put that in your bucket. Put these eggs in here.
Hamburger. And then open this. I can't open it. I can't see it. Uh-oh, you broke it.
It's not broken. It's okay. Don't lose your money.
What all you got, Rach?
Oh. Okay, put them in.
Billy, what's all in your Easter basket or in your eggs? Huh? What all is in there? Uh-oh.
Put your money.
I got money in
What's your favorite thing, candy or money?
money.
Do you like these candies? I know.
What's that?
A gummy.
A gummy, yum.
Someone has to. Oh, that's these. Yeah, that's these.
He's cracking the egg. You see it?
Yeah, we heard it.
I got some more money. Ah! Hey, some more.
Pick crust. Can I have your egg?
Yeah.
You have to record him doing that.
Open the screen now.
What are you doing, Billy?
I'm packing these up.
Did you get it?
I got some more money.
Good shot.
That's mine.
Give the egg to Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Uh-oh. Good shot. Egg to Mama.
Good job.
Let's try this blue one. I got some more.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna be rich, Billy. What are you gonna buy with all that money?
I don't know. Mommy, look how many cheeseburgers I have. Look how much money.
Wow. That's a lot of money.
Look how much cheeseburgers.
Your she's not rich.
I got some more money. I got money in here. My hand. No. Well, you put all your own money in here.
Okay. Can you see your count?
Money.
Quarters too. Thank you. Here, put it back.
Billy, are you going to open the others? Billy, you've got more. Billy.
He's taking his time. It's his. Let him do it, buddy. It's his eggs.
Come on. Come on.
$2.35.
Whoa.
Whoa. Very good, Rach.
Okay, so I have one.
Thank you, sir.
Is that it? You got any more eggs, Billy?
Yeah, this is.
Ready? Thank you.
Like I need my piggy. Oh, gummies.
You want to have them? You can.
I got a pink one. Can I help you, Billy? I can do it. Ooh, goodies. More. I got some more goodies. There has to be money in there, Billy. Yeah, money. Money. You want money, don't you? Money. Billy, here's one more egg. That might have money in it. Here, I'll help you.
Rachel, get back, please. Let him give him some room.
Money. Okay, we get a lot of things. We got.
Wait. Now it's Billy's basket.
Hey, where's all the Easter eggs?
How much money did you get?
Just take 41.
41.
Awesome.
Now he wants it.
Okay, Daddy's going to turn off the camera now. Everybody say bye.